3,
4,
5. So if you count 5 in on there, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Good boy. Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And then 2 green ones, please. There's one, but make it very small.
No.
There's a carrot, but not. No. No, not that one. It's the small ones, see? The very small ones. The small flat ones. Okay, good boy. One's like there's one. Is that the other one? Yeah. Good. Flat. They're probably in there, if you look. Of these ones. So there's one. Find 4 of them. 1. One goes there. One goes there. Yeah? Stop. We need these in front as well. So one of these. And one of these. There. And count, how many does it go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count, count 5 and we go 2 in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So it goes there. Okay. Now we need a magic wand, it says. I have seen that somewhere, but there, like that. Stick, Mika, come on. Down. Yeah. Okay, good. In. Like that. Yeah, there we go. Now, this needs to go over the top and it needs to go into A. Can you put it into A, please? That's B. A. Okay. Right, finished. There it is. Random. There you go.